Think parrots are just pretty birds? Think again. Here are 3 mind-blowing facts that will change how you see them forever. First, these feathered friends are ridiculously smart. Some parrots have the problem-solving skills of a 5-year-old child. They can figure out complex puzzles and even understand cause and effect. It's like having a little genius with wings. Second, forget short lifespans. Large parrots like macaws can live for 60, 80, or even more than 100 years. Getting one is a lifelong commitment, literally. They could even outlive you. And finally, that talking thing, it's not just mimicry. Some parrots, like the famous Alex, actually understood the words they were saying. They could identify colors, shapes, and even express feelings. So next time you see a parrot, remember you're looking at a smart, long-lived, and surprisingly witty companion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing animal facts.